Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans and we're back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a cash stuffing for my mom, aka Gramzee's budget. And let's get into the stuffing. We're going to be stuffing sinking funds and month ahead. So let's get into it. Today we're stuffing $1,349. So I'm just going to put that to the side and get the money out of our little cash pouch. That to the side. Okay, so we're going to do a quick cash count. Let's get it counted. That's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 50, 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 270, 280, 290, 295, 300, 35, 310, 315, 320, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 1,349. So let me get this money set up real quick and then we'll get into the stuffing. All right, so let's get into the stuffing. We are going to be starting with our cash binder. This is sinking funds, where we're going to start, and we're going to start with renter's insurance, and that is getting $6 today. $5 and $6. So now we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Car insurance is the next one, and we are stuffing $108. And that's going to get 100, 5, and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500, 20, 35, 36, or 7, 38, 39, 40. Yeah, 540. $540. So we're doing good there. The next one is car registration, and that is going to get $14. And that is getting a 10 and 4 ones. So let's give it a quick count. We have 20, 40, 50, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So that's $70 in car registration. So the next one is going to be co-pays, and we are adding $20 today, and that is going to give us $40. The next one is medicines, prescriptions, and that is getting $1. So we have $2, so we're going to add one more dollar. So that's $3, which is enough for her quarterly prescription. Gifts, we're going to add 25, and that's going to be a 20 and a 5. And a 5. So now we have 20, 40, 65, 75, 76, 77. So we have $77 in gifts. The next one is printer ink, and that's a 10, a 5, and 2 ones. So we have a 10, a 5, and 2 ones. Now that gives us 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So 34 for printer ink. The next one is our Google One subscription, and that one is getting $3. I'm sorry. So we're getting 1, 2, 3, and now we have 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 in there. We're trying to get to about 32, so we got a little bit to go. The next one is the McAfee software, and that is $8. So we're getting a 5 and 3 ones. So now that gives us 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So $24. So the next section is our bill section. This is for month ahead, and we're going to start with rent. Rent is getting $877, and that is going to be 100, a 50, a 20, a 5, and 2 ones. So we're getting 800s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 75, 76, 77. So let's count it up one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50, 75, 76, 77. 877. The next one is utilities. That is getting $125. That's 100, a 20, and a 5. So that is 100, a 20, and a 5. So we're kind of building up a little buffer here. And so now we have 1, 20, 40, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71. So $171. So that's pretty good. And utilities for her is water, gas, trash, and pest control. Electric, we are putting in 75. And that's one, let's see, 75. Let's put our 75 first. 50, 75. So now we have 1, 50, 70, 90, 100. So that's 200, 10, 20, 35, 36, 37. So 237. And electric. And internet is getting 50, and there's nothing in there, so we're just getting 50. And then car wash gets 20. We don't have anything in there, so we're getting 20 today. And that should be for the month of July's bills. And that is the end of the video for today, guys. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.